What's up, Paw Patrol fans? It's Miss Sorensen with video 20, the seat arrangement problem. Let's get started. 4 couples attend a movie and are seated in a row with 8 seats. How many different seating arrangements are possible if couples are seated together? Well, let's just add some names to this, right? Just to kind of make this a little bit more tangible. So I'm going to pair up some couples. Let's put Parker with Brenda. It's a nice pair. I think they'd be nice together. How about Nadia with Rowan? They have that bickering thing going on. I think that'd be a nice pair. And then who else? We could have Evelyn. Evelyn, who would Evelyn be a nice match with? I think Cody. That'd be really nice. Nice and sporty, you know. And then let's go with Che. Who should Che be with? We don't want to be heteronormative here, so let's go with how about Braden? That'd be a nice couple, I think. All right, so those are our couples. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2. And they want to sit together because, you know, they're going out to the movies and they want to sit with the person that they invited out to go to the movies with. So how many different seating arrangements are possible if couples are seated together? So, for example, if Parker chooses to sit here, Brenda has to sit here because they're a couple. Well, how many options do I have for who can sit right here? Well, how many people are going to the movies here? We've got 8 possibilities. So we've got 8 possibilities of people who could sit there. However, once we choose who sits there, like let's say that we choose that Evelyn sits there, how many options do we have for this seat? Well, Evelyn has to sit next to Cody. So once we've decided that Evelyn's sitting there, we have to decide that Cody is sitting there. So there's only one option for that one. Okay, so now this couple's out. All right, next one. We've got how many people, bless me, how many people could possibly sit here? Well, Parker could, Brenda could, Nadia, Rowan, Che, and Braden could sit there. And how many people is that? That's 6 people. And let's say we chose Braden to sit there. Okay, if Braden sits there, then who has to sit here? Well, we only have one choice, their partner, their couple. That has to be Che. So that's be one choice right there. So now we've used both of these. Okay, now how many people are left to possibly sit here? Well, you can see up here we've got 4 people left. So now I've got 4 people that could sit here. And let's say that we chose Parker, which means that there's only one person who can sit here, and that's Brenda. So that's going to be one option right there. And now we're down to who can sit here. It's either Nadia or Rowan can sit here. It doesn't matter who sits first, but let's say we still have 2 options. Let's say it's Nadia who sits here, so we've got 2 possible people who could sit there. But now we only have one choice here. It has to be Rowan. All right, now, how do we find the total number of possibilities? Well, you can kind of think of this as a tree chart, right? A tree diagram. Well, how many people could sit here? 8. So we'd go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then off of there, there's one choice, 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 one choice. Then there's 6 possibilities. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get the idea, right? We'd keep going with the 6s. It would branch off. It would be an unbelievable number. So how would we calculate how many possibilities? What's your guess to do with these numbers? If you said multiplication, you are absolutely correct. So we're going to multiply these numbers, which essentially creates that tree that I was talking about, and we'd be counting the number of branches. And when we multiply this all the way across, I get 645,120 possibilities, which is a ton. All right. Why don't you pause the video and try this one on your own and see if you get it right. All right, welcome back. Let's see if you got this right. So if we have 7 couples and we're seated in a row of 14, if we have 7 couples, we have 14 people. So we have 14 options for this chair, but then once we choose that person, we only have 1, their partner. Then we have 12. Once we choose that person, their partner has to sit there. Then we're down to 10 people, their partner has to sit next. And then we're down to 8, then their partner sits next. And then we're down to 6, partner sits next to them. We're down to 4 people, their partner sits next to them. Then we're back to the last pair of those 2. We got 2 options who can sit there. Then we got 1. Okay, multiplying that all the way across, I get 645,120. And looks like I messed up on the last one. If you don't mind going back, that's my bad. I was looking at the wrong slide there. So that actually ends up being 384 possibilities. That's my bad, but I don't feel like redoing this video. That's it. That's the seat problem. I hope that makes sense to you, and I hope you have a great day.